Qutub Minar and small details are there. We have put this UNESCO heritage in India. These posters, which are 42 in numbers, they display the heritage places in India. We have put it here. We are grateful to the administration of this Fort Jesus, Mombasa, who has allowed us to put this exhibition here. This is a very informative for the people, whoever who wants to know about the India or Indian and Kenyan connection. Those are displayed here in the photographs, and the photographs are with some information also about those places. So this is very enriching for their knowledge and their understanding about India, and of course about the Indian and Kenya relationship is very good. You can see that our Indian and Kenyan relationship is very, very good. We have cooperation in all the field. You can see that we are having so many naval ships here. Naval ships also last time, just few months ago it came, and maybe in a couple of months we'll have another ship here. So in every respect, the trade relationship is growing day by day. So our relationship is growing, and it's very cordial, very good. Even recently we had the India-Kenya trade meetings there. So it's going on very well. So have we should have cultural programs, cultural functions to mix up, and our dialogues should be always going on. Whether if there is any issue, that is always resolved by the our dialogue. And of course, at the moment, we don't have any. We have a very good, a very cordial relationship. Let's carry on. Let's go further, increase this dialogue, increase the relationship, increase the activities. Let's do a few more cultural events, put more cultural linkage so that we can connect with that.